So ayan, good day sa inyong lahat. So makikita nyo naka-Zoom na naman tayo ngayon. I'm actually live here in LA, in
And
US.
I'm here, Elsie, Luisa's Cafe.
So kikita nyo naman, wherever we go, I mean, the show continues. So para sa
That
inyo to.
keeps
Yeah.
spilling.
So let's start with Spill the Tea number one.
Grab your cups, guys, kasi hihimayin natin ng bawat bawal na galaw, bawat salpukan ng mga abogado, at syempre, ang pinakamainit na pasabog from day 1 to day 3. So let's spill the tea.
For Spill the Tea number one. So, ang spill the tea natin right now is that nag-start na ang impeachment trial. So, nagulat nga ang lahat for the day one because tama nga ang haka-haka ng marami. It's not the Senate President who will presiding the impeachment court. Nagbotohan po at iniluklok si Chis Escudero. So, yan
That's
yung
right.
number one na nangyari. So,
Oh.
ikaw, Ate
Mm-mm.
Mia, any
So, nag-vote
reactions?
sila doon. Nag-vote
Yeah.
sila doon. Talagang nakuha na nila yung number. So, 12-8. Kuha
Mm,
na nila. Siyempre, medyo
yeah.
may drama talaga yung kabila, yung
Mm,
8.
mm.
Talagang question nila, pwede ba to? Pwede ba to? So, eventually, na-carry. So, siya na yung, um, what they call this now, presiding.
The
Yeah.
presiding officer.
Senate President pa rin si Gatchalian, pero si Cheese
Mm,
ang magiging presiding officer. And this is not naman unusual. So, okay lang
mm,
siyang gawin. And then, later on, yun na. Take turns na sila ng yung opening. Ah,
mm.
So, yung unang part doon, yung medyo first part pa lang exciting na, yung humarap si Representative Defensor for the prosecution, and then on the other side naman is si Attorney Sison. So, there and then pa lang, may sparks na. Pero I would give the point to Defensor. Tapos ang sumunod doon na, yan na, sina Jovel Lustro. Yan, napanood
Mm.
mo yun. Grabe, pinanood ko yung buo ah.
Yeah, it's
Like,
actually emotional and really historic. Pero sa totoo lang, yung optics ng impeachment ngayon, medyo nakakatawa lang. Imagine mo dalawa yung
bakit?
nasa taas.
Ah,
Di
oo.
ba? Dalawa yung nasa taas. So, kakaiba yung optics.
Oo.
Pero sana
Iba
mas
nung
magsalita. Sana mas
yung
mag-participate lang si Senator Win para hindi siya mukhang note-taker doon. But yeah, but kini-question kasi nila, di ba? The Cayetano siblings, na before they even started with the impeachment, they questioned the legality of the election of
yes.
Senator Chis Escudero na parang, di ba, sabi nga ni uh, Cayetano, the Pia Cayetano is that kumbaga nagsisimula ng mali, parang gano'n, na dapat hindi siya ginagawa. But then of course, they have the numbers, so they eventually push through.
Oo.
Kaya nga nag-opening na rin ng prosecutor and defense. And yes, it's very, sa totoo
Oo.
lang, emotional and at some point relatable ang opening ng prosecutor. Yun yung
Oo.
nag-viral kasi relatable ang prosecutor, yung defense kay Attorney Sheila. Ano naman, tinawag siyang Wednesday. Kasi
Oo.
nga, very walang emotion,
Yes.
walang emotion, di
Oo.
ba? Dire-diretso. But I think siguro yun yung front niya naman. But
Mm-mm.
more than that, Ate Mia, no? Kapansin-pansin din, syempre, wala ang tatlong senators dun sa
Yun, yung
senator
theory.
judges. Sino
Oo.
ba tong tatlong to na wala?
Yung isa yung na-arrest din nung
Mm,
si Senator Marcoleta.
mm, mm.
That same day, right? Was it that same day or the day
Same
before?
day, morning siya na-arrest.
Yeah, he was taken into custody for plunder. So,
Mm,
yun. First, si Senator Marcoleta. Wala rin si Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
mm.
O, dahil sa non-bailable detention niya.
Yes.
And syempre, ang unang nawala, si Senator Bato.
I know, yun. So, yun yung mga
Basta,
nawala no na senators natin. Kaya but at some point Senator Chis Escudero was firm when he said that they still need 16 votes despite not having
yes.
three on session. But I think may mga push then to clarify that sa Supreme Court because they said nga na any questions about yung mga proceedings, it will not be discussed during the impeachment trial. Like for example, si Jesus Escudero ba ang karapat-dapat? And 16 ba versus ilan ba? Magbe-base ba sa 24 or dun sa present? It should be
Oo,
raised to the Supreme Court.
oo, tama. So, yun. So, we'll wait for the resolution of that kasi nga, di ba, inakyat naman nila.
Mm,
Oo.
Pero ikaw, kasi nga, hati, di ba? Pero you said nga kanina, ah, may may kanya-kanya kasi silang basis. And Senator
Oo.
Pangilinan nga 'di ba at some point talaga
Oo.
clarified na wala namang
Oo.
nakalagay sa Constitution kasi Alan Peter Cayetano was stating the Constitution as basis na dapat Senate President ang mag-preside. And then
Ah,
Kiko said, wala namang specific na sinabi doon.
oo. So, kumbaga, subject to interpretation.
Yeah.
Depende
So,
kung paano mo babasahin.
so I
Kasi
think
wala namang hard. Oo.
we really need to clarify that with the Supreme Court. But yun yung nangyari during the day one. As simple as that. Kasi
Mm-mm.
prinset lang naman nila yung yung opening statements nila. Actually, maaga rin siya nagtapos. Mas more on humaba yung discussion dun sa part na sino magpe-preside.
Oo, oo, oo. Tama. Tama.
Mm-mm.
So, anyway, na-resolve naman yun on day one. And
Mm.
then, wala pang nag-present ng witnesses. Right?
Well,
So, oo. So, yung nangyari dun sa Cayetano mutiny, attempted mutiny na to invalidate yung pag-vote kay Senator Cheese, wala rin. It fell flat on its face.
12 versus 18.
Yeah. Ano lang,
So,
I would like to make mention yung prayer pa lang nung day one. Parang ano na eh, madrama na eh. Prayer
dapat.
pa lang na si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano ang
And and mind you, ate, that's the first time he appeared since yung time na hinijak nila at hindi na sila pumasok sa mga Senate
yes, yes, yes.
hearings, di
Yes,
ba?
that's right.
It's
So
the
the
first time
previous
he
week
appeared.
wala.
And stressed siya, ha? Grabe, grabe tinanda ng mukha niya.
Oo, parang rough look ang
We have to
objective yata niya,
make
no?
sure na
Not,
I
patas.
not
We
know.
in
have
the
to make sure
shades,
na may
ano?
due process.
I know.
Oo.
So,
Yeah. Maybe it's trying,
yeah.
yeah. Trending.
Yeah. So that's spill the tea number one. As simple as
Number
that, no? Kasi
Yeah.
it's day one.